BJP National President J.P. Nadda has issued a strongly worded letter to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge challenging the Congress Party's portrayal of the Manipur situation and its criticism of the government's handling of the crisis. Nadda's letter, dated November 21, 2024, comes in response to Kharge's recent communications with President Draupadi Murmu regarding the violence in Manipur. The BJP president highlighted significant improvements in the northeastern state, noting that the percentage of people suffering from multi-dimensional poverty has reduced from over 20% in 2013 to just over 5% in 2022. The letter criticized the Congress Party's historical handling of unrest in Manipur, specifically referencing the black period of the 90s, when the thousands were killed and lakhs displaced due to rampant violence. Nadda also mentioned the 2011 incident where Manipur witnessed a complete blockade for more than 120 days. Petrol prices and LPG prices were nearly 4 times higher than the rest of the country. Defending the current administration's approach, Nadda wrote that with the first incidents of violence that was reported, our government, both at the centre as well as state, was immediately working to stabilize the peace situation and protect the people. The BJP president accused the Congress of attempting to sensationalize the situation of Manipur and pointed to what he described as the complete failure of India's security administrative protocols under your government as contributed factors to current challenges. The actions comes amid ongoing efforts to restore peace in Manipur, with Nadda emphasizing that investigations into recent incidents are being conducted by the NIA, which he described as one of the most efficient agencies in the country.